Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a new video in which I am going to tell you how you can enable the easy touch or the assistive ball in your phone Vivo V23 and Vivo V23 5G. So if you are new to the channel, just do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos so you can get the videos on time. And now let's watch the complete video and follow each and every step I am showing just to enable your easy touch or assistive ball. It's like a small option on your screen and you can touch on your screen without moving your hand much. So let's watch the video together.